Hey guys, so I'm going to show you to change your alarm volume for your iPhone 11 or any other iPhone running iOS 13. So it's pretty simple. Now in the clock app here we have the alarms, but you cannot change it from here. So what you have to do instead is open up your settings. And right here we have sounds and haptics, so click on that. And you guys see right here is the volume. So of course to the left is lower and the right is higher. Now you also have an option here to change with the buttons. So if you turn that on, then if you use the volume rocker, you can either make it lower or higher. But keep in mind this also affects your ringer. So personally I'm not a fan of this because I just like having the volume at the max. But it is an option. So again, I'm just going to turn it off though. Alright guys, hopefully this helped out. Thanks for watching. And let me know in the comments below if you have any questions.